Hey guys, I am back with the all new titles pack for DaVinci Resolve that is called Titles Pro. This pack contains more than 300 elements in different categories with all the important features of easy customization. You can adjust the color, duration, size, position and font. Every element of this pack supports Full HD and 4K resolution. This pack is not only for DaVinci Resolve but it also for After Effects, Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. It comes from the Power Elite author on Video Hive called EasyEdit. It is one of the most ranked authors and have been creating and improving our packs for many years with great success. And many of their packs are Video Hive trending and best sellers such as YouTube Essential Library, Hypergraphics Pack, Kinetic and many more. Titles pack is suitable for social media posts and stories, video blogs, digital advertising, broadcasting design, TV commercial, film production and many more. And there is good news, we are introducing a giveaway, so you have a chance to win your favorite pack from EasyEdit.Pro. Watch the video till the end and get the idea how you can participate in the giveaway. This is Vikas from Skyline Motions, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve 17 edit page, and before we get started, let me show you the pack first. So this is the complete folder of this pack. Let's open it up, and inside of this pack we have all the folders and files. So the first one is for tutorial, and inside of this tutorial folder you will get two different video tutorial. So the first one is how to use Titles Pro in DaVinci Resolve, and the second one is how to track titles in DaVinci Fusion. So both are very important. You have to watch this video if you want to learn how to use this template and how to customize it inside of your DaVinci Resolve. We have the second folder where we have a catalog. So if you want to browse all your titles inside of your web browser, you can just double click on that and you can take a preview of all the titles that is included in this pack. So it's very good thing, as you can see. Alright, and now we have the another folder which is the main folder. Inside of this, the main project files folder, we have the Titles Pro version 1 installer, and another one is a text file where you can learn how to install these files inside of your DaVinci Resolve. So the installation process is very simple, you don't have to worry about it. And now we have the another folder which is the font, and inside of this font folder we have a document where we have three different font link. So you have to install these font inside of your computer if you don't have this font. Alright, and once you have installed it, just go to your DaVinci Resolve, and inside of this DaVinci Resolve we have the effect section. So just click on this effect, and this is the effect window. Click on the title, you can expand the title, and inside of this we have the EasyEdit Titles Pro. So just click on this and you will get all the titles that is included in this pack. As you can see, we have a long list of titles. You can click on this icon and expand all these categories. So we have the one line category first, so it has around 26 titles. And now let me show you the best thing of this pack. You can simply hover your mouse cursor on these titles and you will get instant preview on this preview window, as you can see. So it's very important thing and it's amazing. And now let me show you another great feature of this pack. You only have to click on this star button and you can make these titles your favorite. So once you have clicked on this star button, this particular title is going to be added inside of your favorite list. So you don't have to search your favorite titles in this long list. You only have to drag and drop from here on the timeline. Alright, so it's again a great feature. So inside of this one line titles, we have so many different type of titles, almost 26 titles. So let's drag this title on the timeline, and customization is very simple. So you only have to select your title, go to your inspector window, and inside of this inspector window, you can type anything that you like. Alright, and you can select any font style that you like. So I'm going to use a different font style for this. So I'm going to use this lemon milk font style, and of course you can select any font style that you like. You can select the style as well. So I'm going to use this regular. Alright, you can control the size of the text from here. We have the tracking parameters, so you can increase the tracking amount. We have the text position, so you can adjust the position of the text. here we have the box offset, so you can increase and decrease the size of your box from here, and you can also control the color, which is again a great feature. Alright, you can select any different color like this. And now we have the main position, so you can place your titles anywhere in the frame, and you can use these titles as a lower third as well. You can delete it, and I'm gonna browse another category. So here we have the one line, and now I'm gonna use the 2 lines category. Now let's use it. So just drag and drop on the timeline. It's very simple. And let me show you one more thing. You can increase or decrease the length of these titles. So it's very simple. You only have to place your CTI, current time indicator, in the middle of this title, just like that, and you can simply drag these titles like this, and now we have total 7-second long title. So it will work perfectly, as you can see. And now you can customize these titles, so you can type anything that you like. You can select any font style from here, and we have all the necessary parameters that you can control these titles. Let me show you another one. So this one is again a great title, so let's drag and drop, and I'm going to customize this title. So let's type 05, and you can type anything over here as well, just like this. All right, and you can change the color. It's looking nice. Awesome. All right, and now let's browse the another category. So we have the 3 lines category, and again we have so many different type of 3-line titles. So let's use this one. You can delete this title, and now we have the 3-line titles. So as you can see, you can type the first line over here, second line, and the third line. We have all the parameters that can control these titles. Now let me show you another one. Now let's use it. Just drag and drop on the timeline. You can type the first line over here, second line over here, and third line over here, and you can control the colors individually for each lines, and you can control the size as well. All right, and you can control these lines colors. So here we have the lines color. You can change the color like this, and you can customize these titles according to you. It's very simple. All right, and now let's browse another category. So we have the 4-line category. So here we have the titles. We have so many different type of 4-line titles, and each title is looking great. You can use these titles in your video and make your video so much better. And now we have the another category, big text category, and inside of this big text category we have almost 18 different titles, and as you can see, each title is looking amazing. So I'm going to use this title because it's looking great. Let's drag and drop on the timeline. This is the big text, so you can type the date over here, just like this. You can customize the color as well, and you can change these text from here. And as you can see, we have nice and simple title animation. All right, and now let's try another one. So here we have this type of title, which is looking again a great text. So let's drag and drop on the timeline. You can delete the previous one, and here we have so many different type of parameter to control these titles. All right, and now let's browse another category. So we have the lower third category. So here we have the almost 25 lower third titles. So let's use one of them. I'm gonna use this title maybe. Let's drag and drop on the timeline, and here we have something like this. All right, you can customize it from here. You can type the first line inside of this box. You can type this line inside of this box. You can change the color from here. You can select any color that you like, and now you can control the box as well. So here we have the main size, so you can increase or decrease the size of this title, set the titles in any corner, and you can control the color of the box. So You can pick any color according to you. And now let's browse another category. So we have the another category, quotes category. So here we have this type of title. Again, it's very simple to customize. So let's drag and drop on the timeline. And here we have the first line, the second line, and the third line. All right, and you can control the color, tracking amount, size, line spacing, position, whatever you want to. So it's very easy to customize and very easy to use. So as you can see, we have so many different type of quotes title. Maybe we have total 25 titles. All right, and now we have the another category, which is the sales category. So inside of the sales category, we have total 25 titles. You can use these titles to promote your offer or promote your business. So here we have these sales titles. So we have the 20% off everything in store, these type of titles. And here we have the woman 50% off. And here we have the 25% off, which is looking great. Let's use it. So I'm going to drag and drop on the timeline, and here we have the 25% off. You can type any percentage that you like, just like this, and you can select your color. So it's very simple to use, and you can place these titles in any corner or anywhere in the frame, just like this. And now we have the last category, which is the call outs. So we have almost 25 different call out titles. So I'm going to use this call out. Let's drag and drop on the timeline, and let me show you how you can control these titles. So the first one is the main text. You can type anything. You can change the color of the text, and you can type the description inside of this box. And again, you can select any font style from here, just like this. And you can change the color, tracking amount, position, whatever you want to. And here we have the line color. So the line color is white, but you can select any color that you like. And I'm gonna use this red to white. So we have the white color, and now it's looking like this. And let me show you one more thing. Here we have the main position parameters. So you can change the position of these titles, just like this. Here we have the main size controller, so you can control the size. And let me show you one more thing. You can control the start point, which is over here. So you can change the start point from here. And let me show you, you can control these titles. So turn on this button, change the fusion overlay. And I think this one is the controller. You can control the start point by simply dragging like this. You have to turn on this button. Alright, so it's great feature. You can turn off this. And now let me tell you, if you want to use these titles on your video footage by tracking your video clip, then you have to watch a video. So inside of this pack, you will get a video tutorial how to track titles in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. So watch this video and learn how to track titles in DaVinci Fusion and use these call out titles by tracking your video clip. Alright, so we have so many different type of call out titles. Now I'm gonna use these titles on a background. So I'm gonna use any background very quickly. So we have a background, and I'm gonna use different titles on this background. So you can close the inspector window. You can close the media pool, and here we have the titles. Alright, so here we have 5 different titles on our background. In my opinion, this is the best title pack for video project that can make your videos so much better and professional, and it will save you so much time as well. If you buy this product once, you will get free updates and 24/7 support. EasyEdit.Pro has their own YouTube channel where they share tutorials of how to work with their templates, and they have blog on their website with a step-by-step tutorial that are actually easy to follow and fascinating. You can also follow them on Instagram for news and updates. Now, if you want to participate in the giveaway, you only have to go on the EasyEdit.Pro website, pick any pack that you like, subscribe to my channel and leave the comment below this video with the name of the pack you want, and I will announce a winner of this pack within 2 weeks on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. All the links will be in the description, so just check it out. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. My name is Vikas and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.